I just want to give you an overview of what you're looking at here once you're in WhiteBox Learning. You'll start here where it says Research, and this is where we're going to get information from. There are a few quizzes in here and a little bit of work to do, and so this part should be done first. The next tab up here, the engineering part, is where you're going to design your car. Here's a car that I designed, and there'll be another video that shows you more in depth about how to use this. The competition part is where you'll test your car and we will race each other at. And so this is fun. This is the fun part, is seeing who has the fastest car. So this is how we'll be doing our races virtually. The output section is really important for this one part right here, and it says design specifications. And there's a lot of stuff up here. It's a little overwhelming, but don't let that overwhelm you. This is important because as you build your car, you'll be checking this to see if anything is not within the specifications, if it doesn't meet the specifications. And so if it doesn't meet it, then it will be in red. And so those are things that you'll need to fix. The build and test we won't be using right now. Just real quick, also the file over here is real important once you start building a car, because it allows you to save it. It also allows you to open maybe a different car that you did. So you probably end up saving more than one car as you work on them and make changes to them. And one other thing I want to show you is this level right here. You can see that as far as assessment of what you're doing, it keeps up with what you do. This part right here, when I went through the research part, there were some quizzes and all. You see I got a 93 on it. And iterations just means the changes that you make to your car as you design it and test it out. And so it tells how many of those you've done, and if you want to get more points, how many more changes you need to try out, and then the performance overall of what you've done. So it does keep up with what you're doing, and I can see that, and see what progress you've made on your car. So that kind of gives you an overview of our application.